Having trouble with Discord keybinds? In 60 seconds I'll walk you through quick fixes to restore your shortcuts. Open Discord and click the User Settings gear icon at the bottom left to access preferences. In Settings, select Keybinds from the left menu to view all assigned shortcuts. Scan the list for your shortcut and ensure it's not duplicated or assigned to another action. If it's missing, click Add a Keybind, press the desired keys, and choose the correct action in Target. Use the Edit button to re-record the keys, then confirm and save. Repeat for any other broken binds. If that doesn't help, go to Settings, open Advanced, and disable Hardware Acceleration, then restart Discord. Also confirm Discord is the active application. Some global shortcuts require Discord to be focused to register keys. On Windows, right-click Discord and choose Run as Administrator so it can capture system-wide key shortcuts. Temporarily close or disable other apps like macro tools, overlays, or hotkey managers that may conflict with Discord keybinds. As a last resort, remove the problematic keybind and recreate it from scratch, testing each change immediately after saving. Now test your shortcut, it should work. If not, update or reinstall Discord and your shortcuts will likely be restored.